Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tan Math Academy। आज আমি লিমিটের কিছু ইম্পর্টেন্ট প্রবলেমস সলভ করব। ফার্স্ট প্রবলেম, লিমিট x টেন্ডিং টু ইনফিনিটি log base e box x by x is equal to question mark, where box x denotes the greatest integer less than equal to x. So let's the solution. For any real number x, we can express x is equal to box x plus fractional part of x, where 0 less than equal to x less than 1, strictly less than 1. This is the integral part and this is the fractional part. Now as x tending to infinity, box x tending to infinity. Why? Since this part belongs to 0, 1 semi-open interval, right? Now limit x tending to infinity log box x by x, this is equal to limit box x tending to infinity log e box x by the form of x, that is integral part plus fractional part. This is of infinity by infinity form, infinity, so log of infinity, undefined infinity, and this infinity, so infinity by infinity form. So we can use L'Hopital rules. Limit box x tending to infinity 1 by box x by 1 and this 0, so it is a constant. Here this as constant using L'Hopital's rule, treating as constant since 0. Okay, so ultimately limit box x tending to infinity 1 by box x, this is equal to 0. Next problem is the problem number 2. Now limit n tending to infinity 1 by n cube within second bracket box of 1 square x plus box of 2 square x plus box of 3 square x plus blah 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 plus box of n square x is equal to question mark. We have to find the value of this limit. This is equal to limit n tending to infinity 1 by n cube summation r is equal to 1 to n, summation r is equal to 1 to n box of r square x. Okay, this is equal to limit n tending to infinity 1 by, that is summation r is equal to 1 to n, the value of this. So for any value of x, for all x belongs to r, x is equal to box x plus this part, where 0 less than equal to x less than 1, that is r square x is equal to box of r square x plus r square x, which implies box of r square x is equal to r square x minus r square x, where 0 less than equal to r square x less than 1. So this can be expressed as r square x minus r square x by n cube. Okay, and this can be expressed limit n tending to infinity summation r is equal to 1 to n r square x by n cube minus summation r is equal to 1 to n r square x by n cube. This limit tending to infinity summation r square r is equal to 1 to n by n cube minus limit n tending to infinity summation r is equal to 1 to n fractional part by n cube. Limit n tending to infinity x, the sum of first square of n terms n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 and here n cube minus 0. Why? Since summation r square x belongs to 0 to 1 and n cube tending to infinity, and this is so, and this is finite, that's why this gives 0, right? And this is equal to limit n tending to infinity x by 6 dividing by n, here also dividing by n, and this also dividing by n, 1 plus 1 by n, 2 plus 1 by n, and this is equal to x by 6, 1 into 2, that is x by 3.